Okay, hot tip for you. Time to eat lunch. Want to take a little break, but my roller is just completely saturated with paint. I don't want to have to take the time it takes to clean that roller off. So I just grabbed, you can grab literally cellophane. This happened to be some painter's cloth that I just cut a little tiny bit off. I'll put it down here. Air is the enemy and air is what makes the paint dry. So if I cover this, and I'm just going to roll it up nice and tight.
Where'd you get the plastic cellophane from?
This is some drip cloth, some painter's tape, some painter's drop cloth. I just cut off about 18 inches of it. I'm going to roll this up nice and tight. Tear it off there. Twist off my ends nice. And I'll be good to go. Some people even take the time that you could literally, that's airtight now. I could put that in the refrigerator. Some people put it in the fridge. I don't know why, but maybe you could. But now I got this thing airtight. I'll come back in an hour and it'd be just as wet as it is right now. So a nice, and you do that with your paintbrushes as well. Just wrap them up literally in some food cellophane if you want to. Make sure they're airtight and then you can pull them back out. One thing I do, if I'm painting a large area, it does dry a little as you're going. So if I know I'm going to be painting for well over an hour straight, 2 hours, I might actually stop, clean my roller completely as if I'm being done, and then I'll come back and paint again.
Would you do this for overnight?
Yeah, absolutely. You could leave this overnight. This would be absolutely fine. It's nice and airtight, and there's no air drying that paint out there. Just like putting like always putting a lid back on your paint can when you're not using it. Otherwise, you're going to get the skin, a film of skin that's going to dry on the top. You'll have to pull out
Yeah.
if it sits there for enough hours.
Cool. Quick tip.